Hi, my name is Sulung. Being born as the first child is a gift. Being born as a woman is a gift. But being born as the first child and also woman is an unhappy combination. Always deemed to be a role model to her brother, my soldier must be strong like a steel, so I can steal my brother from any problem. My heart must be strong like a stone. My world cannot be destroyed, even though my heart is not fine. My laughter cannot be lost, even though my heart is breaking. Not frequently, almost every day, I cry in the middle of lonely night. When situation conquered me, I think my parents seems forget that I'm only human who can be happy, sad, and calm. I cannot convey what I feel to every people. Maybe when I'm happy, I'm sad, and I'm cried. All of that worried in my mind before I sleep. That make me a girl who is deep to overthink every day, every night. Only night understand me. Only world know how much I want to hurt myself. Only pillow know how hard the tears are. Thank you.